In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metafields to a product in Shopify. If you're looking to enhance your product listings and create a more tailored shopping experience for your customers, adding metafields is a great way to start. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you have all the knowledge you need to make your product pages shine. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new set of options. Among them, you'll find the section labeled Metafields and Meta Objects. This is your gateway to customizing additional data fields for your products, so let's select it. After entering the Metafields section, turn your attention to the Products option. This is where you can create new metafields specifically for your product listings. Click on Add Definition to begin crafting your new metafield. Creating a useful metafield involves giving it a clear, descriptive name. This will help you, and anyone else managing your store, recognize exactly what data this field is intended to hold. Next, choose the type of metafield you're adding. Shopify offers a variety of data types to ensure you can store the information that matters most to you, from text and numbers to other complex types. Be sure to add a description, detailing what purpose the metafield serves. This adds an extra layer of clarity for you and any team members managing your online store. And don't forget to assign the metafield to the correct category in its category assignments. It helps in organizing and applying it effectively. Once you've successfully created your metafield, it's time to see it in action. Navigate to your list of products from the Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll choose a product where you want the newly created metafield to appear. Click on the product name, which will take you to its details page. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, and you'll find a section dedicated to metafields. This is where your newly created field will appear. Simply fill it with the necessary information relevant to your product. Whether you're adding manufacturing details, care instructions, or any supplementary details, this space provides the flexibility you need to enhance your product pages. And just like that, you've successfully added a metafield to a product in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your product listings to better fit your brand's needs and provide your customers with a more detailed shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!